time to share another amazing recipe with you all. Today it is retro meatballs, and it is quite simple. All you need is a 12-ounce bag of frozen meatballs, 1 cup of grape jam. You can choose what brand you like. 1 cup of yellow mustard, so it is equal parts jelly and mustard. Bring that to a boil, stirring it constantly to make sure that everything is incorporating well. Then once it reaches a good boil, everything looks like it's mixed well, go ahead and add in your meatballs and stir them around just enough to get everything evenly coated. You want to essentially drizzle some of the syrup over them as well to make sure that they are warming up on the inside. But at this point, you can reduce the heat and let them simmer on low. Basically, at this point, you're letting them heat up and cook through while also allowing that jam and mustard mixture to thicken and cling to each meatball. But do make sure you continue to stir them periodically so that nothing is sticking to your pot and everything is getting stirred together well and your meatballs are cooking evenly. You will know when this is done when you see the texture as you see here change. Your sauce will thicken up considerably, and at that point your meatballs are ready to serve. It doesn't take too long for these to be ready to serve, between 25 and 35 minutes for full cook and thickening consistency. So here we are ready to go ahead and serve up our meatballs. There are numerous ways you can serve these up. Here I have chosen to put them on a plate just to eat with a fork and a side salad. You can also serve these over a plate of rice. With the remaining sauce that's in the pot, you can also opt to put it in a bowl to serve on the side, to dip your meatballs into that sauce. Or if you prefer an alternate way, you can serve the meatballs up on a plate like you see here and pour the sauce over the top of the meatballs. Either way you choose, this is going to be delicious. I can promise you that. You can also serve these over a bed of rice, as I said. Pour the sauce over the rice and the meatballs themselves. Or you can have these at a party, and you can skewer the meatballs and have the sauce on the side. But no matter how you choose, these retro meatballs, which is a recipe from the 1960s, is definitely one of a kind and is sure to please. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think if you try this recipe. I'll see you next time.